Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Happy Navratri. And during this 9 days and 9 days of Navratri and 1 day of Vijayadashmi or Dussehra, we are entitled to make so many kinds of food and dishes to eat. So this is one of the sweet dishes that we can make out of milk. And this is Rasgulla, and let's see how they are made. Dear viewers, today we are going to make the Rasgulla, and this is my ingredients to make the Rasgulla. And I have paneer, fresh made paneer in the home, and you can always check my link how to make paneer during this Navratri season, in this Navratri days actually. So, and I have rose water, 2 cups of sugar, 1.5 cup to 2 cups of water, some salt. And so we'll see how to start off with. To begin with, I'm going to add the 2 cups of sugar and then the water, and a pinch of salt. And we have to make this to a syrup. So I'll put this and make it into a syrup, and I'll show you later. Dear viewers, now we are going to knead the paneer for at least approximately about 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you knead, the better it is. And I'll show you when it is finished kneading. Dear viewers, the paneer which I have kneaded is already ready. Now I'm going to ball them up. Just a small pinch, approximately about this big. Make sure there's no cracks anywhere. And put them aside. When I'm done, I'll show you the rest. Dear viewers, I have already rolled up all the balls, and so I'm going to drop them off one by one, gently. Remember, you have to drop them gently one by one. I've already dropped them all, and we'll close the lid and let it boil for approximately about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium low. After boiling for 15 minutes, the size of the rasgullas has already become double the size. This is what we are looking at. So this is identical. This will let us know that the syrup has been penetrated into the balls. So right now I'm going to turn off the stove and cool it off. Dear viewers, our rasgullas are ready. I can't do anything right now, and I even can't add my rose water into it I have to wait until it is cool completely. So when it's cool off, I will add the rose water. Right now, I have to let you know a little bit of tips. Number one, I use 2 liters of milk to make the paneer. Number two, I use 2 cups of sugar and also 1.5 cup to 2 cups of water. It's up to you how you want. And also I'll be using 2 tablespoons of the rose water. When it's cool off, I'll add them. So thank you for watching this video, and I wish you happy Navratri again to all my Hindu friends who are celebrating Navratri. And I also wish everyone to try this recipe and let me know. This is not only meant to be during Navratri, it can be done during any time of the year, festivals or feasts or anything, and it's very healthy, solid milk. So I encourage you to try it off. Do subscribe to the Friday Friendly Kitchen with the same ingredients and the method. Do try them out. And I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share the video with others. Jai Mataji.